Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Detecting a flash drive plug-in on Windows using Python can be achieved by monitoring system events. The types library can be used to interact with the Windows API, and the Win32 GUI library can be employed to receive and handle Windows messages. Additionally, the OS module is useful for interacting with the file system. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to detect a flash drive plug-in using Python on Windows. Ensure you have the Win32 library installed. You can install it using the following command. Create a Python script with the following code to detect flash drive plug-ins. Save the script and run it using a Python interpreter. The script will display messages when a flash drive is inserted or removed. Keep in mind that this script is a basic example, and you might need to enhance it based on your specific requirements. Additionally, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to register device notifications on the system. ChatGPT.